Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add someone as a friend on your Fortnite game account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Fortnite game on your device. And once the game is loaded, you will be taken into the main menu page. Now, from this page, you can directly start any match that you wish. Now, if you wish to add any friends onto your account, then simply click on your profile icon at the top right corner. From here, just click on the Add Friends icon, and now you will be able to search for any user in order to add them as your friend using the search box. Once you find the person that you wish to add, just tap on their profile and then tap on the Add Friend button. This will now send a friend request to the user that you just selected. And once the user taps on the Accept button to accept your request, you will become friends with this player, and you will now be able to join together within various different matches. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add someone as a friend on your Fortnite game account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.